Hey everybody, today we're gonna make chicken with yakisoba noodles, stir fry. So we're gonna be using white chicken breast, and the type of noodles that we're using is called yakisoba noodles from Fortune. And I have some eggs we're gonna be using, and also the ingredients. You'll need some white pepper, some garlic, some sea salt, some pure sesame seed oil, and oyster sauce, and also soy sauce. So let's get started. We're just going to slice it up into thin slices. Then we're just going to sprinkle some garlic powder, some sea salt, and we're going to flip it over and do the same thing. Garlic powder, some sea salt, and just a little bit of white pepper. And that's it. And let's get started on the cooking. So we're going to heat up the pan. We want to make sure that the chicken is fully cooked, so that's why we're doing this first. We're adding 2 eggs to this. Scramble the eggs. So we're using this yakisoba noodles. It does come with some seasoning, but we're not using it for this today. We're not using this. We're just going to be using the noodles. That's what it looks like. And we're also adding 3-4 cups of green peas. Next, we're going to add the noodles. We're just going to try to loosen everything all up because it was in the package and it's kind of tight. So it just needs a little heat and just to loosen it up. The noodles are already fully cooked, so we're just reheating it. And that makes life a lot easier. Now we're going to add some sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon. One tablespoon of oyster sauce. Very crucial, just make sure you have all of it. So 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. And 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. and stir everything together. So there you have it, it's done. So there you have it. This is chicken with yakisoba noodle stir fry. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!